Here we go again.
Hammer, hammer!
Big pointy rocks! Eat this!
Gotcha.
You're about to catch these hands! Oh, that'll never do. More! More!
Birds of a feather flock together.
More! Oh, this is gonna be good! What don't you understand about more? There's my baby!
Give me strength.
Walt.
Before we do this, I wanted to say...
Oh my goodness! Wait, what's going on?
You gotta be kidding me!
I can't stop!
Wait, hold on.
Ace. Wait, what are you doing? Wait, no!
Oh no! Oh, that is sad. Wow. Look what the rocks did. Look what the rocks did! Well, it was a piece of shit anyway.
That's it! I quit!